Are you confused and not sure how to make money using your property? Don't worry. Here's how to list it on TempHo in just a few steps. Start by opening your browser and typing TempHo. Click the first link to land on our homepage. Once you're there, hit the big green button that says List Your Property. Scroll down until you see the form. Now begin by filling in your personal information. Remember, the details shown in this video are just examples. Make sure you enter your own accurate information. Next, it's time to fill in your property's information. Be as detailed as possible. This is your chance to highlight what makes your space unique. Now upload at least 3 high-quality photos. Great photos help your listing stand out and attract more bookings. Check off all the amenities you offer, whether it's free Wi-Fi, parking, or a cozy fireplace. Let your future guests know. Here's the important part. Upload proof of ownership. This could be a utility bill, home insurance document, or any valid proof. Finally, double-check all your details and hit submit. You'll see a confirmation message on your screen. Voila! That's it. You've successfully listed your property on TempHo. Our team will review your request and connect with you shortly. Get ready to welcome guests and boost your income.